Over the last 3 years, I have profited over $1 million take home in my businesses. And today I'm going to break down the 3 best investments I have made that have allowed me to build multiple 7-figure businesses. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller, and I just want to open up the curtains and share with you guys the 3 best investments I have made, and they're actually going to surprise you. So many people get this completely backwards, and they think that they're going to take $1,000 and invest it in the S&P 500 and turn it into millions of dollars overnight. And I hate to break it to you, but that is not the case. And I'll break it down as we go throughout this video, the 3 best investments. If you guys are new, please subscribe. I appreciate the support. And I don't talk and share about these things saying that I'm better than anybody, because I have a long ways to go. And I'm constantly working on myself, which I'll be talking about in this video, is part of the process of becoming a millionaire, a multimillionaire, hopefully a billionaire. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I don't necessarily have billionaire aspirations, but at the same time, who wouldn't want to be a billionaire? So the best investment, and we'll talk about the first one, and this is the most important, and that is investing in you. One of my favorite people that I follow is Alex Hormozi. If you guys don't know who he is, the guy's just a straight boss and has just shown and led the way of how to just crush it in life. And he's worth $100 million plus, and I think he's like 30 years old. And his biggest saying, and one of my favorite things that I've taken away from him, is instead of investing in the S&P 500, invest in the S&Me 500. And once you understand that concept, you will make more money than you will ever dream of. And you will 10x, 20x, 100x your investment when you invest in you. Investing in the stock market, taking, let's say, $1,000 and investing and getting a 10% return, that's $100, a whopping $100. What is $100 going to do for you? You can barely go out to eat. You can barely buy a pair of shoes. An iPhone costs $1,000. You'd have to invest for 10 years to get one iPhone. Like, understand that getting a 10% return is great, but if you only have $1,000, $10,000, even $100,000, it's not going to do that much for you. Where you invest $1,000, $2,000 in you, you can turn that into literally millions, and I'm living proof. I've invested multiple 6 figures into myself, in my health, in my mindset, in my body, into coaches, into mentors, into books, into education. The list goes on. Now, college was not one of those investments that did anything for me. I don't want to throw any shade on college, but when I've invested in myself and gotten mentors and have paid people to teach me certain skills, that's where I've seen a massive increase in my overall business and increase in the money that I'm making. So I invite you to invest in yourself. If you guys are looking to become the best real estate investor, or if you guys are looking to learn how to flip houses, or if you guys are looking to become a day trader, which I probably don't recommend, if you guys are looking to build an agency, if you guys are looking to sell on Amazon, invest in a coach, invest in a mentor, and that will help you more than anything. And yes, I understand paying $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000, $10,000 for a coach might seem like a lot, but if you can learn one skill set that can help you build a business that's a 6 or 7-figure business, that $10,000 investment was the best investment you ever made. And for me, I've made small investments like that, where now I have multiple 7-figure businesses, and it's all thanks to investing in me. So that's the first and best investment that you can make to become a millionaire. And the second investment that everybody needs to make is inside their own business. Everybody wants to take profits. They make their first, let's say, $10,000, and they have the mindset, oh, I'm going to go invest it in the stock market. But again, the same rules apply. If you take that $10,000 and invest it in the stock market and get a whopping 10%, well, that's what, $1,000? $1,000 isn't going to do anything for you. So instead of taking that $10,000, take that and put it back into your business and expedite the growth. If you can go and launch a second, third, fourth, fifth product, let's say on Amazon, Well, now instead of having one product, you've got 5 that are now doing $10,000 each. Well, now you've got a $50,000 per month business. And just like that, you 5x'd your money per month. So what is that? That's a 60x return year after year just by taking that $10,000 instead of investing it into a rental property that's going to get you a nice $200 a month, or investing it into the stock market that's going to get you, again, another $100 a month, or whatever the case is. Invest it back into your business. And so many people are too quick to pull money out of their business and take it and go blow it on things, or go invest into crypto or the stock market or real estate, when in reality, the best investment is first you, and then the second is in your business. If you can reinvest into more products, new systems, more employees, new softwares, new tools, new products, that is where you can take your small business where you're doing, let's say, $10,000, $20,000 a month, and scale it to $50,000 a month, or to where I'm at, where I'm doing 6 figures per month. So the only way that you can do that is investing in your business. So first invest in you, then invest in your business. So those are the first 2 investments that have allowed me to get to that point. And we're going to jump into the third. And to be honest, this trumps the first investment and the second. And if it wasn't for the third, I wouldn't have anything. And that is investing in your marriage, investing in your relationship with your significant other. It has been by far the biggest cheat code of my success. Having somebody that supports me through thick and thin, no matter what, is by far the best investment you can make. And having that support system, having somebody that loves you unconditionally, somebody that is there when you are having a hard day, somebody that can lift you up when things are tough, that is where millionaires are made. And people want to talk about Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and all these people that have made billions of dollars, but I guarantee if it wasn't for their spouses, they wouldn't have been able to accomplish what they accomplished. Every successful person has basically right-hand person, whether boy or girl, right there by their side, helping them through the difficult times. And for me, my wife, Sydney, has been there every second. She's never questioned me. She's never guessed or been like, I don't think you should do that. When I'm like, hey, I'm going to take this $30,000 and I'm going to invest it. Or I'm going to take this $50,000 and I'm going to go launch this company. I'm going to go take this and I'm going to launch more products, or I'm going to go start this new company. She's always been there and has supported me with everything. And if you can find somebody that where your guys' goals align and will support you, that will make your life literally 10 times easier. And I've seen this with friends. I've seen this with siblings when just relationships aren't as just meshed and connected, and they have disagreements and they don't agree on certain money things, and they don't maybe have the same goals as one another. And if you guys can align yourself with your significant other, husband or wife, and if you can find a solid one, then that is a cheat code. And for me, that's been a cheat code. And I'm going to give 95% of my credit because of her. It's been because of her that's picked me up. It's been because of her when I want to give up, she's there. It's been because of her that gives me that support to take the jump, to take the risks. So if you guys are in that situation where you're not sure, I'm not telling you to leave the relationship, but you guys want to align yourself, get on the same page, and that will help you so much. That will help you grow to that next level. So those are the 3 investments that have allowed me to build multiple 7-figure businesses, have a multiple 7-figure net worth at 27 years old. And it's because I've invested in myself. I've invested in my businesses. So once I invest in myself, I make money. And once I make money, I don't just take it and blow it. I don't just take it and invest it in the stock market. I invest it back into my business, which then makes more money. And then once you get to a certain point, obviously you take it and you invest it into others, but you need a significant amount of money to invest for it to make a dent. And when people just are like, oh, I'm going to invest $10,000. Yes, that's a good chunk of change, but $10,000 isn't going to move the needle. You need hundreds of thousands of dollars to move the needle when it comes to investing, where $10,000 to invest in you and your business, 10x, 100x. I've taken thousands of dollars and turned it into millions in a 5-year period. And then lastly, your significant other, your spouse, That is the best investment you can make. And if you guys are aligned, life is a whole lot easier. And I promise you will make a lot more money. So those are the 3 cheat codes. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys are interested in starting and building your own business and investing in your business, then click the link down below. I want to help you guys through the entire process. I'm going to show you guys how I've built multiple 7-figure brands on Amazon. I'm going to open up the curtains, book a free consultation, and we will see you guys in the next video.